Welcome to Science Academy. The science behind the maglev train. Electromagnetic train. The electromagnetic train, also known as a maglev train, works through a fascinating interplay of magnets and electricity. Here's a breakdown of how it all comes together. 1. Levitation. Electromagnets. The guideway, the track on which the maglev train travels, contains powerful electromagnets. These magnets can be turned on and off, creating a dynamic magnetic field. Superconductors. The underside of the train houses superconductors. These are materials that lose all electrical resistance when cooled to extremely low temperatures. Repulsion. When the electromagnets in the guideway are turned on, the magnetic field interacts with the superconductors in the train, creating a repulsive force. This force pushes the train upwards, levitating it a few inches above the guideway. Two. Propulsion. Propulsion loops. The guideway also contains loops of wire embedded in the walls. These loops are powered by electricity, creating a changing magnetic field. Eddy currents. The changing magnetic field induces eddy currents in the conductive aluminum plates on the underside of the train. These eddy currents, in turn, create their own magnetic field. Magnetic attraction and repulsion. The interaction between the magnetic field from the propulsion loops and the magnetic field from the eddy currents creates a force that propels the train forward. The front and back of the train have magnets arranged in a specific way to create both pulling and pushing forces. No friction. Since the train levitates, it doesn't experience any friction with the guideway. This allows it to reach incredibly high speeds, much faster than traditional trains. Additional benefits. Smoother ride. The lack of friction also results in a smoother and quieter ride for passengers. Reduced wear and tear. With no contact between the train and the guideway, there is minimal wear and tear, leading to lower maintenance costs. Environmentally friendly. Maglev trains are more energy efficient than traditional trains, making them a more sustainable option.